Giving high quality, and I mean high quality, sales presentations. So the key core sales presentations of the Fearless Agent, one is the listing presentation. Then there's the pricing presentation. Then there's the for sale by owner presentation. Then there's the buyer presentation. Then there's the investor presentation. And then additionally, how to present offers to sellers in a professional manner. So I want you to be giving a listing presentation. So every Fearless Agent has this experience. You walk up to a stranger's listing. In other words, it's not referred to you, not a past client, not a repeat. And you get the listing that no one else can get, and you get it at 7%, and you keep 4% in any market, in any price range, any town, none of that matters. And then you're able to get it for 1 year, not because you need it, but because you can, because they're going to be loyal to you and stick with you no matter what. And then you have the seller begging you to underprice their house right off the bat. And as you know, not a single non-Fearless Agent coaching student has ever had that experience, even one time in the history of the world. But every Fearless Agent student has that experience. So why is that? It's because the presentation makes that happen. So you have a killer listing presentation, you have a pricing presentation, you have a for sale by owner presentation for those situations, you have a buyer presentation that causes the buyer to be loyal to you, use your lender that you recommend. They sign the buyer broker agreement eagerly before you ever show a single house or search the MLS. And then you have an investor presentation for real live investors, not fix and flip people. I don't know what that is. I'm talking about real investors, buy and hold, rental investors. So if you have all those core competencies, you're a real estate professional. And if you don't, I don't know what you are, but you're not a real estate professional. That's what you're supposed to do in this business. But if you take the industry training or any other coach's training, you're not going to learn what it takes to be a real professional real estate agent. So all Fearless Agents have those 5 presentations. And again, how to present the offers in a professional way. So until the next video, I want you to focus on the basics. I want you to be committed. I want you to be obsessed, and I want you to get your skills, your schedule, and your systems right. And I want you to feel free to call me anytime at 480-385-8810. And let's see if you would be a good fit for Fearless Agent Coaching, because if you are, you're going to get rich. And if you're not, I'm still going to help you either way. So call me anytime, 480-385-8810. I want to make you a Fearless Agent. Thanks.